We're going to do something different today. We're going to try a song. It's a song, I'm not going to say what the song is. It's a song that goes back to the 60s. I reckon mid-60s. I think everybody knows the song. But we'll give it a go anyways. And let's see, can you guess what it is? Right, bar the 5th fret, 3rd string up, 6, and the next 2 strings, 1 fret over. So, you have an A. Slide up to the 10th, right back down to open E. There's no need to take your fingers off, just keep these fingers on and go. Back up to the 10th fret. Back down to the 5th where you started. So all the way through. You have that? Let's give it another go. Right, 5th fret, A chord, 10th fret, D, back down, open E, and back up again to the 10th. Back to the original one, A major on the 5th fret. So all the way through, slowly. Okay, now if you have that, let's try the chorus, which is extremely simple. Slide down 2 frets, 3rd fret, G. Slide back up to where you started. So all the way through. Right, if you're not on the scratch, if your fingers aren't, but my fingers definitely are not on the scratch yet. If your fingers aren't on the scratch, start with open chords. Exact same thing, the exact same chords. A, down to a D, E, and the chorus is G, A, G, A. There. All the way through. So that's it, basically. You have the song, I know you know it, and you know it. Have a guess. Let's just see what it is. It's quite nice playing a song for a change rather than all the old practicing. But, you know, we have to get these things. We have to get our chords, we have to get our scales, we have to get all these things right, first of all. Yeah, you've seen the video, I'm far from there. But I don't care. It's a bit of fun. That's all we're having, a little bit of fun. So, have a guess what the song is. You know, if you got something on the video, just press like, you know, subscribe. I really appreciate your subscribes. Get a bit of a community going. You know, make a comment. Let me know what you think the song is. I'm sure you know it. So all that's left to say is, hey Michelle!